you wondered how data is transferred? It's a simple phenomena of transferring bulk information from one device to other, but question remains the same. Is it your server speed, or the cables have some importance to fetch the data and download it? There are two ways that can be used to transfer the data: the using light signals and the other electric medium. Now look more deeper which networking cable is more suitable for you to use for data signal transmission. Is it Ethernet cable or the costly option fiber optic cables? Now let's learn which one is better, Ethernet cable or fiber optic cable. Ethernet cables are the backbone of reliable connections, delivering stable and fast speeds for homes and businesses alike. Ideal for local area networks, they're budget-friendly and easy to install. On the other hand, fiber optic cables are the future of connectivity. With ultra-fast speeds and long-distance performance, they're perfect for high-demand applications like data centers and large enterprises. Plus, they're immune to electromagnetic interference. So whether you need dependable Ethernet or cutting-edge fiber optics, your choice depends on your network needs.